Good morning, class. I am Sir Harold Dave Di Rubio and I will be your teacher in physics. In today's class, I will be talking about Newton's laws of motion. But before we start, can someone give me the definition of motion? Yes, you're right. Motion is change of location or position of an object with respect to time. And now that we know what motion is, let's move forward and take a deeper look on Newton's laws of motion. The first law is law of inertia. It states that if a body is at rest or moving at a constant speed in a straight line, it will remain at rest or keep moving in a straight line at a constant speed unless it is acted upon by a force. Because of inertia, the tower resists the movement of the block and stays at rest. The coin has enough inertia to resist moving with a piece of tissue, but gravity acts upon it and it falls down to the bottom of the mug. The second law is law of acceleration. It states that the acceleration of an object is directly related to the net force and inversely related to its mass. The door serves as the mass that we exert force to. As we give force to the door, we need to use a greater force so that the acceleration happens is faster when pushing or pulling a door. When we want the book to hit at a certain place, we need to apply more force so that the acceleration will be higher. The third law of motion is law of interaction. It states that if a body exerts a force on a second body, the second body exerts a force that is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction to the first force. So for every action force, there is always a reaction force. A person exerted a force on the chair, and the chair exerted an equal amount of force that made the person to go forward. A person pumps the alcohol downward, and the bottle exerted an equal amount of force that made the alcohol move upward. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from me. See you again next week. Goodbye.